What is going on, guys? This is Yusuf. Some of you guys might know me by King Risen from Facebook. And I wanted to share with you guys an idea or a plot rather that I have for the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, NCAD. So we're trading NCAD. This is the daily time frame on Owanda. And I was looking for a continuation sell, continuation short opportunity. Disregard some of this stuff. I was just playing with some stuff. So this is what I'm looking at here. Obviously we've seen NCAD come off a really big sell, and then what I seen forming was a bearish pennant, or at least a potential bearish pennant. So I kept in mind that. Now keep in mind we broke down from the 200 daily moving average, which was fantastic. We sold down, and our fib levels are going from this low, from 0.878, to this high at 0.922. So we sold down, and we almost got down to the 0.78. Well, we broke the 0.786, and then we bounced right back above it and came all the way back up. Now, mind you, we came back up, and it might be hard to tell all the stuff I have on here, but we have our, let me move this out the way. So we have our 0.618 fib level here. So when we got back to this fib level, we never made it back quite to the 50. I actually like using the 55 moving average just because it's a Fibonacci number. So we got back to almost got to the 55 moving average, and then we rejected back. We had this spinning top here. And then we sold off. We bounced off the 0.786 again. A little bit weaker. We got a little bit weaker at this 0.618. So in that process, in my view, we start to form a bearish pennant where we're forming lower highs and higher lows. So now it's just a matter of waiting for the breakout. And in my opinion, I think that breakout has just came. So we broke out towards the downside, and I think we're in for a larger sell-off. So I entered this trade right about here at this 0.89. Get that breakout confirmation that came on the 4-hour time frame. So if you're waiting for a daily close, you're probably not going to get that daily close just yet. Well, you haven't got your daily close just yet for sure. And it's always possible that we retest this area, but I don't think we are. I think we're going to sell down a little bit more. Of course, we'll see some buyback up in the process, but I don't think we're going to get back up to my entry point. And of course, this thing can always turn around. You never know with, trading. But I think we're pretty much out the gate, and this thing's going to run down a little bit. So my targets on NCAD is right at the 0.888. That's my first target. That's about 40, 50 pips. My second target, it will be the 0.878. And then swing trading, I can see this thing coming down to, I have my Fibonacci extension of 0.618 at the 0.85. However, this measured move is about 380 pips. Let's just say 400 pips. And I don't think I'm going to get, 400 pips really doesn't get me to the 0.618. Let me see, almost. So it's possible we can get here. It doesn't have to be exact, but 380 and 412 is a little bit of a difference. So if all things are ideal and perfect, then I could see this thing coming down to the 0.618 and get us in at 0.852, maybe something like that. So it's something I'm going to keep an eye on. I'll be watching the 0.888, 87. If we break there, which would also be not exactly a neckline, but it'll be this major floor of support. If we broke that, so I could see this thing dropping down and meeting us at the 0.85. So let me know what you guys think. There's a lot of support down here, so I probably wouldn't hold it past here. So if we get through here, I'll definitely be taking some profit off the table unless I see something in the price to give me a reason not to. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe we'll take a short buy opportunity, then sell it back down. But the trend is a downtrend for me, and I think if and when we get this daily close, again, I enter on the 4-hour time frame, that should give confirmation, and that should be a pretty good trade. And if that works out, I mean, that's a pretty decent trade. I mean 1 to 8 risk ratio. that's a pretty decent trade by any measure. So we'll see how this thing works out. That's NCAD. So guys, do me a favor. I'm not new to trading, but I am new to doing these videos and content, and it's something that I am trying to be more consistent with on Forex and cryptocurrency. I look at only Forex and cryptocurrency. So I want to be able to give you guys daily content, consistent content, the trades that I'm taking, why I'm taking them, and I would really appreciate your feedback, your likes, your comments, your subscriptions, and tell me, if these trades make sense to you. Tell me if you see the market differently. Let me share your analysis. What trades are you guys taking? Let's just try to make this an open discussion, and most importantly, I get some feedback from you guys to see what you guys are investing in, what you guys are trading, and how I could continue to offer the best content possible, the most valuable content possible. So this is NCAD. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to bring you cryptos and Forex. And we're going to pump these videos, lots of content. So that's all I have for now, guys. We'll see how this thing works out. I'll share my other trades that I've taken with EU, my altcoin trades in the crypto space, my pound yen. I trade pound yen a lot. I'll share my pound yen trades, dollar Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, UJ. I trade that a lot. So I'll share all those trades with you guys, and we'll see how things turn out. So this is the before, and we'll do afterwards as far as how the trade ended, and then we'll roll into another trade. So we'll look at results, past performance, and then we'll look at new trades moving forward. So this was NCAD. Till the next time, people.